Hi, I'm Kristian Speers. I'm the General Manager of DEKS Industries in Melbourne. Our key skill set is really around rubber and potable water. So our business is based on providing fresh drinking water or providing sealing elements to a penetration through a roof. DEKS has become one of those businesses that the industry comes to quite often to solve an ongoing issue or a dilemma in construction. It's an amazing history for DEKS Industries. It started 75 years ago as a small family business, and today we ship to 45 countries around the world. DEKS Industries was really born out of innovation and problem solving, good engineering, and the business has grown on the back of those things. So fundamentally, those core values and the reasons why DEKS was successful in the early days is the reason why it's successful now. So DEKS was always located in the eastern suburbs of Melbourne, Victoria, primarily in the Bayswater area, and up until just 6 months ago, the business had always been there. We felt that it was a requirement to move it closer to some of the transport hubs. So almost 75 years in the one location, we've moved it southeast. Our relationship with IKEA started with a quick meeting at their Springvale store where we spoke to Matthew and the team about their corporate fit-out services. The new site in Dandenong, we had a vision for it that we wanted to not only be innovative and creative with the space, but we wanted a space where people would want to come to work. IKEA were able to really achieve that with a range of colours and comfort and just the quality of fit-out and the thought that had gone into the planning. It was very easy to join the IKEA Business Network. It was simply setting an appointment on the website. And from there, we sat down with the team and had a first initial consultation. We met an amazing designer that really world-class in terms of the product and what we ended up with. It was a simple process. There were 4 steps, and that got us to really a world-class fit-out. The staff love the motorised desks, and it's a fantastic thing in terms of health and safety, getting people up and standing around for those that spend a lot of time in front of the PC screens. Some of the strengths of DEKS has been the diversity we have amongst our team. We've got an amazing mix of people, and I think that's one of the outstanding things about the business. At DEKS, we've taken a different approach to, traditionally the way in which employees are treated. We encourage staff to bring their children in. If their children are sick and they need to come to work, we have a kids area where they can spend some of their time. And really, it's work and home life are more linked than they ever were. And it's very important that employers nowadays provide that support for good employees. I think one of the most exciting things in terms of the way that the sites come up here has been the fact that we have all of our staff coming in each and every day. I know it's a big problem today with businesses where a lot of staff want to work from home and the business misses out on the productivity and the advantage of having those water cooler conversations, so to speak. We've got a facility here where everybody, without it being mandated, come into the place every single day. The experience we had with the IKEA Business Network was just outstanding. They created a buzz and an excitement around the fit-out that really was contagious with a lot of the other contractors that we had employed.